Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can type the letter Allah in Adobe Illustrator. So it's not much harder as you think, or you need to have some practice to make it more perfect. So how you can write calligraphy in Adobe Illustrator? Let's get started. First I'm gonna make a custom brush for the Arabic calligraphy. Select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Now I'm gonna go to window, then brushes. Now click on that plus icon to make a brush. Choose calligraphy. Now I'm gonna set the angle around 72°, roundness around 10%, and the size is all up to you, but I'm gonna set around 70. And remove this, we don't need this anymore. Let me adjust these panels. Now take a brush and start writing the letter Alif. It should not be a straight line, but it should be a little bit tilt like this. Now I'm gonna make an arrow tip by using a pen tool. It's more easiest way to make an arrow tip. Let's make some adjustments to make it more permanent. Now before writing Allah, I should add some guidelines. These guidelines are gonna help us to make in a perfect line. I'm gonna press Ctrl plus R. I'm gonna drag it down and set around the bottom of the letter, and one more I'm gonna drag it down and set around the midpoint of the letter like this. Now the word Allah I should write in between these guidelines. Let's start to write. So you don't need to be perfect at once. You need to have some practice. And don't be worried about, you can adjust everything later on by using a smooth tool and some other tools to make it more permanent. Let's make some adjustments. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.